So as luck would have it, the wipers don't work. So I'm going to test the wiper switch in the cabin compartment mode. So the switch input is there to the instrument cluster, but the wipers don't run, so we'll have to have a look at the circuit now. So we got this code in the TIPM, lost communication with the radio because it has an aftermarket radio, but we have this wiper park switch input circuit high, so that's the switch in the wiper motor. Oh brother. Let's see if we can clear that code. Considering that the operation of the wipers is networked, chances are, no, that's back again. So it probably has a wiring problem to the wiper motor or a wiper motor problem. Let's see if I can see the wiper park switch voltage here. Brake. Front wiper high, off. Wiper switch neutral position. Front wiper low, wiper park switch. Front wiper park switch sense is false. Well, let's have a look at what the troubleshooter suggests for that particular code again, which was B2305. Let's see if it's in the... no, it isn't in here. Okay, I'll look it up. So this is a condition for setting that code. 2305, the totally integrated power module detects an open condition in the wiper park switch sense circuit. Here is the electrical diagram for it. Right to the motor. I'll see what's common to cause this issue. So here's a case on Identifix. You can see it's pretty common for the wiper motor to cause this problem. The park switch in the wiper motor has likely failed. Here's a test procedure from the aftermarket. Put battery power to the brown-orange wire at the wiper motor, check high speed. Brown-white wire for low speeds. Monitor the voltage on the brown-gray wire with the wipers running on low speed. The voltage should toggle to ground when the wipers are at the bottom of the windshield. So the switch grounds it. So if the switch fails, it goes high voltage, it sets a code. So if I read between the lines here, the voltage on that brown-gray wire at the wiper motor should toggle from 5 to 0 when the wipers are at the bottom of their travel. That's how it knows when to shut them off to park. So I'm backpinning that brown-gray wire with the key on and the wipers parked, and it's saying 5 volts right now. So I'm going to watch this data, and I'm going to ground that wire and see if it actually shows true when I ground it. So when I grounded that brown-white or brown-gray wire at the wiper motor, the value in the scan tool switches from false to true, and that tells me the wire's good. I'll show you where I'm doing that at the motor. So that's the brown-gray wire right there. That's the wiper park sense. And the wiper has a switch in it, so when the wipers are parked, which is where they are right now, that voltage will indicate 0. And right now it's showing 5 volts. So my take on this is it needs a wiper motor because that switch is non-serviceable. Customer's going to be really pleased. So as luck would have it, I have a 04 Ram in the parking lot that's scrapped for parts, so I'm going to try the wiper motor out of that. And somebody's broken his windshield cowl in pieces, so I have that one off that other truck too, if that'll work. So that was the problem. The park switch had failed in the wiper motor, so we've got a previously enjoyed one on there. Now we'll reinstall the windshield cowl and put this thing outside.